Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Bolt Ride app not working. So if you're currently having problems with your Bolt Ride app that it's not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you're going to do firstly is to close your Bolt app and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app and in here we're just going to scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general in here. So click on general. Now scroll down in here and then you're going to click on storage as you can see. And now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And then what we're going to do, we're going to find Bolt app in here. And that is exactly how I myself, by the way, was able to fix it. So unfortunately, you should be able to wait a couple of minutes, or sorry, a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. If you're really unlucky, it can be a couple of minutes, unfortunately. But now when it's loaded, we can now click on the search symbol in the top right corner. Now we can search for Bolt in here as you can see and click on the app, then click on offload app and once again click on offload app. And here as you can see, just wait and click on the blue button here again. Now you're just going to wait for your Bolt app to completely load, and when it's done, you can just go back into your app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.